Hi, Siphombata DJ Sigobeza uKhosi FM Vuka Africa Breakfast Show. Akusekho ke radioweni, angizeli ukuzokhuluma nge-radio namhlanje. Ngizokhuluma ngeindaba zombuso wezulu. Lalela uLuke 1 verse 18. Noma uLuke 18 verse 1 uthi wabalandisa umzekeliso wokuthi umuntu umelwe ukukhuleka njalo angaphezi. It said a parable that men ought to always pray and not to faint. So ke siyakubiza kwi-National Call of Prayer ezobe yenzeka eHarrismith lapho na ke Free State kusuka ngomhla ka2 kuze kube umhla ka8 kunyaka kaDisemba. Lo umthandazo ophethe abantu abaningi abazobe bekhona, bakhona abadumisa abakhulu njengalokhu ubona amagama edlula kwi-poster, bakhona futhi ingceke zenkosi ezinkulu ezizobe zikhona. Ngabala ubaba uBishop SP Zikhali, ngabala ubaba uPastor Nhleko, ngabala ubaba uSD Mbuyazi umpostoli, ngabala ikhehla uRalehulela, myself ingceke yenkosi uMbatha uzobe khona, ukhona okuyena osihostile ubaba benomama uProfeti uMthetho. So kubiziwe ke wonke umuntu ukuthi wozani ngobuningi benu kusuka ngomsombuluko kuya kulehlanu kunetende elikhulu elizobe libekiwe la abantu bazobe beza khona. Come expecting isandla sikaNkulunkulu ukuthi sikuthinte, because uma ukuyipresence yakhe ayikho into engenzeke. It doesn't matter ukuthi how long have you been in that situation. Ngenzeka ukuthi uMopo has been there for 12 years, but come on this day. Ngenzeka ukuthi sekuyinkinga osunayo for 38 years, come on this day. But it doesn't matter. The good news is that immediately in his presence uMopo lowo ka 12 years uyaphela, ukugula sokuphathe for 38 kuyaphela, even amehlo avale kuzelwe uyimpumputhe muke wathintana nesandla sakhe ayaphela. That's why invite ke wonke umuntu ukuthi wozani ngobuningi benu on these big days. So ngomsombuluko kuya kulehlanu sobe setendeni bese kuthi ngomgqibelo sibe se stadium, the big stadium eNtabazwe, bese kuthi ngesonto sibuyele enkonzweni. Engakutshela khona, your life will never be the same again. Your life will never be the same again. So bhala ama details la ku screen ukwazi ukubona information. Be there. I'm not gonna say ukuthi qala bani ngaluphi langa, mhlawumbe kusuku lokuqala khona mina nje, so you don't need to miss it. Mhlawumbe kusuku lokuqala khona ubaba uyikhali, mhlawumbe kusuku lokuqala qala umprofeti uMthetho. So come every day uze ulindele and call abanye abantu bese sizoba khona bukhoneni bukaNkulunkulu. Khona into engiyaziyo ukuthi mabehlangene abangcwele bababili babathathu uthi yena ubakhona naye, abakubophayo emhlabeni kuyaboshwa ezulwini, nabakhululayo kuyakhulula. Zokhulula izinto zeziqalekiso zakudala owawukwathi ungekho wena ezenziwa kuma generations eyesibili neyesithathu neyesine angaphambilini. Okuphila manje impilo yakho is stagnant simply because of amagama ashiwo ngabazali nogogo bethu, but yena onamandla okwenza konke uzobe kwenza that day. I can feel the spirit of the Lord is saying your time is now. Come, asikhethile noma kuthiwa ukhonza kuliphi ibandla, but come be with us with presence yakhe. Ahlanganeni kakhona ngizokubona uzofikile, angihambi ngedwa, my colleagues bazobe bekhona, kuzobe kumnandi ngendlela emangalisayo. Landela ipage lami, landela nepage la ekhaya ubone imininingwane eminingi yokuthi ngobani abanye abezayo. Siyabonana khona.